In my opinion, social networking is very good side for our studies, our culture. Nowadays, social networking is very helpful for our daily life
How, ma'am? How it is helpful?
because due to in the pandemic coronavirus, we also use very helpful this social networking because we can't go anywhere, and we also talk to our we can everything we can done to the social networking by Facebook or WhatsApp. We can also join the classes,
But people could do
study
some other
our.
things
We
also.
can also continue. We can also continue our classes
Okay.
in the online.
Okay. But people could do some other things also. If we talk about the classes, it's okay. Many of the students studied online, but there are many students who live in village, who live in rural areas. They are unable to get online classes, so it is not beneficial for all. The first thing is that, okay. Second thing, instead of using social networking, people could spend time with each other because it was a fantastic time. I will not say that it was a very good time or fantastic time because it was a pandemic time. People were facing so many
Yes.
problems. But on the other hand, if we talk about togetherness, so it was a fantastic time for togetherness. So people could spend time with each other instead of using social networking.
But nowadays, everyone is busy in their life. Everyone has their many activities, so they could not spend time with each other. So they are also in the social networking. They can talk to each other. They can help for each other by social networking.
See how the people are busy. They are busy in their profession, they are busy in their business, they are busy with their
No,
studies.
sir. See, every people has their some activities. Some are students. Some are busy in their professional life.
Yes, yes, I'm saying they are busy in some activities. So when
Yes,
they
sir.
get spare time, they should be spending time with their family members, with their friends. Why they are going online? When they are online,
Because
they are connecting with each other on video calls and audio calls. So they are not actually connected. They are just completing the formalities. It is creating a kind of distance between them.
so in a human life, we also want to friends. Also want family. It is important, but also friends. Society is also there in this. Man is a in man's social life.
See, ma'am, nowadays what is happening? Husband and wife both are there together on a bed, but both are using mobile phones. She is busy in chatting, and she is busy in doing some other activities like uploading a status and
Yes, sir.
commenting, liking, sharing.
So
And
it's
the
only
husband is also
for
doing the same thing, but they are not talking to each other in the same room. They are busy in themselves. After getting tired, they sleep. They go to bed and sleep. They don't have
so
time to talk to each other.
many of the persons are only they are bored of their life, so can also fresh full in freshness to the social media. Also
Okay.
is the yes.
There are some other sources also to refresh the mind. They can
So
go to
in the
visit
pandemic, they
somewhere.
are not go. In the pandemic, they are not go to outside.
Endemic is the
So
exception. It will not continue forever. It is there for some
yes.
time, there for a few months. It will not be forever. Okay, I would like to include Pankaj Amliar in this discussion. Pankaj, what would you say about this topic? What do you feel? Networking is good or bad for us?
Sir, according to me, social media is good, but it should use with some restriction because I didn't say this.
No, we
Uh,
don't. Sorry to interrupt you. We don't want your suggestion. First of all, let us know what do you think. You are in the favor of social
yeah,
networking or you are opposing social networking. Choose any side and start speaking about that. We don't want the suggestions. We know very well it is somewhere good,
yes.
and on the other hand, we see the positive sides, so it is good, and negative sides, it is bad. But you have to choose only one side.
I favor it. According to me, social networking is good for
Okay.
us.
Okay. So now tell the
because in
benefits.
this era, because in this era, it's a very beneficial for us, all the human beings, uh, because uh, because of social networking, uh, we can do study, we can uh, uh,
Pankaj, sorry to
we
interrupt you.
can
Do you
talk to.
really feel that people study and students study on the social networking? They just keep uploading their photographs
Yes,
and they want the comments, likings, and they waste their
there are
time. They waste their money.
there
They
are
do not
some
study. If they study on the social networking, then why schools are made? Why books are made? What is the use of these things?
sir, when schools and colleges uh, made that time, social media is not popular because of this thing. Nowadays mostly people doing their study because of social media, and many students are doing the study through the social media from the greatest university like Cambridge and Berlin University. So it's happened because of the social media.
Okay, okay. Shahnawaz, what would you say? You are using social networking as I can see, but I
Yes, sir.
want you to speak individually. Don't take anything personally. You have to tell that social media is good or not. What do you think?
In my opinion, social networking is good for us and a great platform for the shy people, shy person, and is a is a big platform to getting international news and business promotion in Facebook.
But
To
Shahnawaz, you are
to
saying that people who are shy can use the social media and it is good for them, right? How will they remove their shyness? If they are shy, they have to interact with the people. When they don't talk to the people, they just keep typing and keep uploading the photographs, and they do not have verbal communication. How will they get rid of their problems related to shyness and all?
sir, it is
Okay,
I
I
think
want Wrinkle to intervene. Wrinkle, now what would you say? You are using Instagram. Do not talk
Yes,
about
sir.
only Instagram, but say something about this topic. What do you feel? Social networking is good or bad?
Sir, social networking is good sometimes because there are many apps like marketing for marketing also, like Amazon. We can do shopping online.
We can do
For that, it
shopping
is
online, okay, but you know very well, uh, there are some fake news spread all over the world just because of social media. Fake
yes, sir.
news spread like wildfire just because of social media.
Yes, sir.
And if it is
Sir,
about
I
online
want to
shopping, I don't think so. Online shopping is that much good. If you go to the shop and you have so many options, and there's a person who is trying to show you that what is good for you, what is not good for you, what are the things fashionable, what are the things not fashionable. If you go online, then there's something in mind. I can be ripped off by the sites or by the people who are running this site, right?
Sir,
Sometimes you
sorry,
get,
sir.
you do not get the proper product. Sometimes if you suppose that if you are buying a mobile, so when you open the box, the mobile is broken or it is not working properly, you do not get charger. These types of problem come when you're using the social networking online sites.
Sir, I want to change my opinion. Should I
Yes,
change it
yes,
because
yes,
Khushi
yes.
ma'am and Shahnawaz and Twinkle is covered? So
Okay, okay,
my
okay. Now
question is to Khushi ma'am, Shahnawaz and Wrinkle too. We know that social media, so in this era, social media hack our psyche. We know that uh, mostly people is addicted to the social media and they are wasting their time.
Sir,
What do you think about it?
I'm sorry, sir, I interrupt you. But in our Indian society, many of the peoples do not learn very well English. But by the Google, we can learn a lot of meanings easily. We can learn by the Google. So it is a very good for us.
Ma'am, I'm
Dictionaries
not
are
only
also
saying about
available,
the
ma'am, in the
Google.
market. You can buy a dictionary
Yes.
and you can learn something from there.
No, sir, but
Ma'am,
this, sir, phone is in our hand. So there is a lot of saving time. We can immediately we can
This
search
is
anything.
the problem. This is the problem. Phone is there in our hands. Phone is very harmful. You know, some rays come which are very harmful for the body.
But
If you keep the
nowadays,
mobile
phone
phone all
is
the time with you, it can create harmful effects for your body. It should not
so
be all the
nowadays
time with
phone
you.
is very important, and
Yes, it is
also
mobile phone
pandemic
is
important.
a
is very
harmful.
important.
It is not at all important. People have made it important. People have become
Yes, sir.
servant of mobile phones. It is not at all that
Ma'am,
much important.
radiation.
People lived their life in the past very normally and
Sir,
peacefully.
why, sir? Without mobile, we can't learn English nowadays.
You are taking now this example which we are doing right
Yes, sir.
now.
It is a very big example for us.
But there are
Without
some
phone,
offline
without.
coachings also. Teachers are teaching offline
Ma'am,
also. It is the problem of pandemic.
But
Pandemic
sir,
is over. People will
as a
go to the
housewife,
online classes.
as a as a housewife, it is a very difficult to go anywhere to learn, because we have a lot of burdens, our family households works. So I feel it is very good. With phone I can learn English in my at my home. So I feel it is very good.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you have talked about English and I am teaching online. So I can't say anything about this.
No,
If I say
sir. Sir,
don't
it is a
learn
big
online,
example.
if
Offline
I
It
say
is a
don't
classes.
big
learn
example,
online,
sir.
then my business will be flopped. So I cannot say
Sir, it
anything
is a
about
big,
this.
no, sir, it is a big example for us. It is a
Okay,
practical example, not an example. It is a practical example.
all right. Okay, Khushi Patil, what do you feel about this topic? Khushi Patil.
Yes, sir. I also I agree with network. I agree network Khushi ma'am.
Okay, you agree with Khushi, ma'am? Social networking is good.
And
Yes,
sir,
social
at
network
offline
is
they are not teaching properly
Teachers are
in
not teaching
offline
properly
classes.
online. In offline
Sir,
class,
we
they
They
don't
can't.
teach properly.
they
Sir, we
sir they can't focus on other children. They can only
Okay, so
one child only.
Wrinkle, you mean to say that in offline classes, teachers are not teaching properly?
Yes, sir.
No. That's not good, Wrinkle. That's not right.
When teachers listen
Because
to you, they will be angry with you. They will say that
I
we
used
are
to
very
many
educated, qualified, and
Sir, not
we
in
used to teach
school.
earlier offline, and the teaching method was good. The teaching method is same as they used to teach in offline classes. Similarly, they are teaching in online classes. What is the difference between this? Only differences
no,
of
sir.
network
No,
and
sir.
the
Some
method.
offline classes.
Some teachers, some teachers cannot
Yes,
teach
sir.
online
Some
also.
teachers are.
Okay, Shahnawaz, what do you think? Tell some more positives of the social networking so that we can oppose you. Pankaj is also ready to oppose you.
Yes, sir.
Pankaj sir has no
Addiction is
question
sometimes, but
because
for
what, ma'am?
the time gone, the addiction is less than.
Shahnawaz, what don't you think so that it is wastage of money? People are getting their mobiles recharged. They have to spend minimum 300 rupees every month. And after that, they are
nowadays
able to use social networking.
we can't study without a social media.
It is the problem of nowadays, no, ma'am. It is not the problem of entire life.
So we get knowledge by social networking site
We get a lot of
in
knowledge.
in home easily.
You can get knowledge from the book also.
Yes, we
Yes,
can get knowledge from the book also. Yes, it's right.
But
Then why are you going? Why
But-
people are going on
But
social
sir,
networking?
Ma'am,
every person is not going to buy to book. Every person is not going
so ma'am,
because
every
some person
person
has some
is
work. Some person has some work. Some every persons are not students.
But ma'am,
Some
people have
persons have
started
some work.
misusing social networking. They just keep sending the friend request to other people and they just take the photos of the girls and misuse
So
them.
everything has two aspects, sir. If you say some students are also in book, they can also not do. They
No,
also
from the
sometimes
book,
they also
how can they
study.
misuse the book? There's no misuse of the book. There is only use
No,
of the book.
they also, sir, they can hide the comics in the book and also study the comics also.
No,
It
it
can
is the
also be.
activity. But there's no misuse
Yes,
of the book. Book is not being misused.
yes, sir.
It is their activity which they are doing. They are hiding their comics into the books and trying to read that and passing the time.
Yes, sir. Now our children are computerized, and I think social media is very important for us
But ma'am, on
because
social media, there's no criteria and there's no authentication because they don't demand for the ID. Anybody can make means identity card, identity proof. Anybody can make ID, even a small child also. And this is the wrong thing, which should not be done.
it's our duty to don't use the children to social media. It's our duty, and we have after 17 or 18 plus, we can also have a knowledge to what to do or what not to do.
every time we can't monitor them. And
Yes, exactly. Every time we
nowadays,
cannot monitor our kids.
and nowadays because of social media, people become selfish
What, sir? People came.
and people become selfish. Selfish, ma'am,
selfish.
Selfish. They are becoming selfish.
Selfish. Yes, sir.
And if you
Selfish
know
means they
about
are
the
having a
industrial,
kind of reserve nature. Reserve nature. They are not talking. Uh, when people are coming in front of them, they are just trying to escape themselves from
Sir, in the
talking.
phone, they're also talking to their family, their friends, not any other.
This is kind of a formality which they are doing.
In the phone, they are also talking to their families, their friends, their relatives, not
Okay,
a known
okay.
person,
If it
not a
is about
strange person.
friends and relatives, you know what has started happening. People used to go earlier to their relatives and used to talk, but nowadays you can see they are not going to the relatives, and the invitation card is coming on WhatsApp, and
Yes,
people
sir.
are sending the
Sir,
money through
it's a
Paytm,
sir, it's a save of money. It is a saving of money.
but on
It's
the other
good.
hand, they are spending money on the recharging mobiles.
Sir, there is no
but ma'am, it's
sir.
less value. It's less, sir. Less value is how to say some value then.
Less value.
So in the
Yes,
phone we can work a lot of works in the phone, not only sending the invitations.
No, we
We can
don't.
also
We
ma'am.
don't
you
have a topic of mobile phone. We have a topic of social networking. By using social networking means some applications and some sites, people are just
yes, sir.
becoming addicted
You can
and they're misusing. They are wasting their time. They are wasting their money, and they are keeping
now
away. They are away from the people. They are not maintaining
now
the
you
proper
can see, sir.
relations.
Now you can see, sir, a lot of works has been on the online examinations there, online form fill-ups are there. You
That is
can see.
there. We have become completely digital. Digital India, you must have heard about. But it doesn't mean that we should stop talking to the people when they are in front of you.
Yes, sir. I agree.
But
This,
people have
but
started doing
our
this. I have seen so many people, they are friends on Facebook, but when they are living in the same colony or they are in front of each other, they do not even say hello, hi. But they are friends on Facebook and Instagram. They are following each other. This thing happens.
And Facebook friend will never help.
And they are not going to help. They are just becoming friends of each other. When it is a
Only
time
in
of help,
only in Facebook friend
nowadays,
basis.
competition generation, sir. There is also compete with each other, everyone.
What kind of
In past
competition they
also,
are doing?
ma'am,
They are just
competition.
increasing the counting of friends. This type of competition they are doing.
What, sir?
What kind of competition they are doing? They are having a competition of increasing the friend list or the criteria of friend list. They are increasing that
No,
I have
sir.
2,000 friends, and other is thinking I should have 3,000 friends. So they are sending friend list, friend request to everyone, whether they know that
Sir,
or not.
everything has two aspects. Some persons, they can get knowledge by social media and they can get wasted their time.
All right, all right. Okay, Wrinkle,
Yes, sir.
Wrinkle. You
Yes, sir.
stop
Yes,
yourself.
sir.
Please say something about this topic. You all have become senior. You have completed almost 2 months. You should be speaking now. I should not give you chance. You should grab the chance. You should snatch the chance to speak up. Right? आप सब लोग senior हो गए हैं अब. आप इस चीज को
Yes,
समझिए.
sir.
After completion of 1.5 month, you have done half of the course, more than half of the course. तो अब आपको वो नहीं होना चाहिए that the sir will give us chance to speak up. Now you should snatch the chance. अब तो आपको लड़ पड़ना चाहिए. अब तो कोई भी टॉपिक आ जाए. जैसे भारती मैम पंकज लड़ रहे हैं. सिमिलरली खुशी पाटिल, शहनवाज, रिंकल.
We are
आप
also fighting, sir.
अरे झगड़ आपको अब तो ऐसी सिचुएशन आ गई. अब तो झगड़ पड़ना चाहिए. आपको तो कूद पड़ना चाहिए. आ जाओ, कौन है भैया, आ जाओ एकदम से. राइट? जैसे दूध पी के ताकत आ जाती है ना, ऐसी टॉपिक मिलती, ताकत आ जानी चाहिए अंग्रेजी वाली
सर,
आपको. तो
बोलती
बोलो,
बंद करने
स्पीक.
को क्या बोलते हैं, सर? शट अप माउथ.
हाँ, शट समबडीज माउथ.
Mouth.
हाँ, शट अप द माउथ या कीप द ट्रैप शट, ऐसे भी आप बोल सकते हैं. मेक समबडी
नहीं
साइलेंट.
सर, जैसे मैंने बोलती बंद कर दी.
हाँ, तो आई मेड हिम क्वाइट. आई मेड हर क्वाइट. लड़का है तो हिम और लड़की है तो हर.
Okay, sir. So I made Pankaj sir quiet.
Okay. Pankaj,
Okay,
any
ma'am,
other
one
point do you
question is
have?
yes, yes. For few days, American investigation agency released their report on the 2014 election. That time, Facebook, because of Facebook, Donald Trump won, and it is not good for the democracy, man.
Similarly, Narendra Modi, Mr.
Because
Narendra
of
Modi is also
social
winning.
dilemma.
He is also very active on social networking. It means people are
But
stupid.
sir,
Those who are casting the vote to the
but sir,
politicians. Obviously, they are reading, learning something
sir-
and knowing about the politicians. Then only they are going to
In
cast the vote.
social
Pankaj,
media,
now I am
sir,
opposing you, Pankaj.
but sir, but sir, about
in
of
social media,
about
sir, we
of the
can
Modi,
get.
it's not released officially. About
Okay.
of Modi, it's not released officially, and about of the Donald Trump, it's released. NIA, it is the biggest investigation agency in this world. So it
Okay,
is
okay.
not good for us, for the democracy also.
Shahnawaz, I would
It's
like
Ma'am,
to ask
good
one
for
ma'am
thing.
is good.
Shahnawaz,
That is
I would
good,
like
ma'am.
to ask one thing.
Yes, yes, sir.
When you go in front of people, do people praise about you that you are looking very good and you are looking awesome? But in the same way, when you upload the photo on the Facebook, then you get so many comments. Am I right? So what do you think?
Yes, sir.
People are fake on Facebook or social networking, or are they real in the real life? What is the right thing?
They're fake.
Because I would like to tell one thing. I had birthday on 22nd of November. So I got 200 comments on Facebook. But when it is about calling or meeting the people, nobody came to meet me and wish and said that, sir,
Sir,
happy
due to
birthday.
coronavirus, sir. Due
No,
to
ma'am.
coronavirus now.
Everything was unlocked that time.
Okay.
Yes,
In
sir.
fact,
Yes.
Ma'am,
many of my relatives
But
did not call up me. They were just wishing on the Facebook and WhatsApp. This is not the thing which should happen.
Yes, sir.
It means that they are just completing the formalities. They are not completely connected by hurt.
yes, sir.
is
Yes,
also
In
the
the
thing I
social
would like
media,
to say.
yes,
by social media, sir, we also can involve in each other,
But I am saying
not
that
in.
they are not involving with each other by their hearts. The hearts are not connected. They are just completing the formalities. When they come to the home and sit down and talk properly, this is the proper connection.
Now, sir, everyone thinks the time is very important, so they can't spend.
They spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 12 hours on the social networking, and you are saying that they don't have time. Everybody has time,
yes,
but they don't want to
yes,
Ma'am,
sir.
spend time on these things. They have forgotten the
sir,
connectivity.
ma'am, repeat please what said.
What? Repeat, sir.
What you said. No, ma'am.